Here at this airport, the ground crew always wins.
The F-16 is using a 0-0 ejection seat. A 0-0 technology uses small rockets to propel the seat upward to an adequate altitude, and a small explosive charge to open the parachute canopy that is quickly for a successful parachute descent.
He knows his aircraft incredibly well.
Jesus Christ.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, luckily everything is okay. There was a serious issue with...
The Ilyushin Il-86 is a short to medium-range wide-body jet airliner that serves as the USSR's first wide-bodied aircraft and the world's second for-engine wide-bodied aircraft. What you see here is an extremely low start of Ilyushin Il-86 in the old colors of the Trans-European Airlines in the Gulf of Boka Kotorska. The Lockheed C-5 Galaxy is a large military transport aircraft, originally designed and built by Lockheed, and now maintained and upgraded by its successor, Lockheed Martin. Its high flotation main landing gear provides 28 wheels to distribute gross weight on paved or earth surfaces. The rear main landing gear can be made to caster to make a smaller turning radius, and rotates 90 degrees after takeoff before being retracted. The Lockheed U-2, nicknamed Dragon Lady, is an American single-jet engine, high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft operated by the United States Air Force and previously flown by the Central Intelligence Agency, in an effort to extend the U-2's operating range and to eliminate the need for foreign government approval for U-2 operations from United States Air Force bases in foreign countries. It was suggested that the U-2 be operated from aircraft carriers. 3 aircraft were converted for carrier operations by the installation of arrestor hooks, and carrier-qualified naval aviators were recruited to fly them. It turned out to be possible to take off and land a U-2 from a carrier. Testing in 1960 with the USS Ranger and in 1969 with the USS America proved the concept. The only operational carrier use occurred in May 1960 for when a U-2, operating from USS Ranger, was used to spy on a French atomic test in the Pacific.
Well, that's all we had for you this week. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell.
Do you have any aviation videos that you want to have shown on this channel? Or do you have a good idea for a new show? Then write a comment below.
See you next week.